Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aziza. In this opportunity, I will explain about place of articulation and manner of articulation. The first, place of articulation. This refers to the specific location in the mouth in which the speech organs work together in producing a consonant sound. The tongue and the teeth come together, forming a dental sound. There are 6 speech organs used to utter consonant sound. For example, the lips, the teeth, and the alveolar ridge, the hard palate and the soft palate or velum, and 4 parts of tongue. For example, the tip, the blade, the body, and the root. Consonant sound in American English can be classified into a sound in which B is for bilabial, LA is for labiodental, D is for dental, A is for alveolar, P is for palatal, PA is for palato-alveolar, VE is for velar, GLO is for glottal, and LA is for labiovelar. Bilabial sound, consonant sound which are produced by putting 2 lips together as in sound. In the word buy, in the word pay, and am in the word my. The following figure absolutely illustrate will be labial sound are pronounced. Labiodental sound. F and V, consonant sound which are produced by contacting the lower lip and upper teeth as in sound. F in the word 5 and V in the word villa. The following figure illustrate the production of these sounds. Dental sounds. O or U. These consonant sounds are made the tongue tip for sound or the thumb blade part just behind the tip. For sound O, consonants upper teeth. As in the sound, for example, sound O is as in the word Thursday, and sound as the word this. The figures below give an illustration of how these sounds are pronounced. Alveolar sound, T, D, N, E, A, S, Z. The consonant sounds are made when the tongue tip contacts the alveolar ridge, the gums just behind the teeth. As the sound T in the word tie, sound D in the word die, sound N as in the word Nike, or sound L as in the word lie, or tongue blade consonant the alveolar ridge as sound S as in the word psych, or sound Z as in the word zeal. The following figure illustrate where these sounds are produced. The next, palatal sound. G, T, and J. The sounds are pronounced when the blade of the tongue, middle of tongue, touch the hard palate. For example, G as the word judge, sound T F as the word chief, and sound G as the word young. The following figure clearly shows us where these sounds are made. And the next, palato-alveolar sound. These sounds are articulate when the blade of tongue approach the touches of alveolar ridge, and the main body of the tongue approach the hard palate in the mouth. As in the word ship, in which the tip of tongue is used, sound as the word casual, in which the blade of tongue is used, and sound air. As in the word remember, in which the tip of tongue approach never touch. In the area in the mouth between alveolar ridge and the hard palate. The next velar sounds, K, G, N. These consonant sounds are produced when the back of tongue touches of soft plate. The velum as sound K in the word cup, the sound G as the word gap, and the sound N in the word sing. Take a look at the figure below to see where the sounds are produced. The next, glottal sound. H. This consonant sound is produced when the flow of air is stopped by glottis with some contraction of the glottis closing, and then released. For example, sound H as the word how and the who. The articulation of this sound by obviously seen the following figure. The next, labiovelar sound, Y. This consonant sound is produced when the back part of tongue contacts the soft palate and lips also come close to each other. For example, sound Y as in the word what. The following figure give an illustration where the sound is pronounced. The next, manner of articulation. Manner of articulation describe two things. The first, how different organs of speech interact one another if production consonant sound. The second, how the airflow is abstract to effect and the production of consonant sound quality. Thus, the manner of articulation is determinant which present distinctive feature of consonant sound in the English language, because it is possible to make several different consonant sound at the same place of articulation. The six manner of articulation are easily remembered by the acronym STO, VA, NAS, LA. STO stands for stop, V stands for fricative, A stands for affricative, NAS stands for nasal, L stands for lateral, A stands for approximant. They are stop or plovis in this manner of articulation. Consonant sounds are produced by closing the speech organs, both oral and nasal cavity, that the air stream is blocked. Its result air pressure in the oral cavity. When the air pressure is suddenly released, aspiration will occur. This English consonant sounds produced through this manner of articulation are P as in the word pen, T as the word tie, K as in the word K, and B as in the word by, D as in the word die, G as in the word go. Fricative. This type of manner of articulation produces consonant sound by blocking the airstream in the mouth, but not making complete closure. A complete closure belongs a stop. The air moves through the mouth and produces audible friction. For example, as in the word circle, Z as in the word zoom, F as in the word fun, and V as in the word face, as in the word method, as in the word then, as in the word ship, and as in the word pleasure, and as in the word hot. To see how these sounds are made, take a look at the following figure. The first, affricative. This manner of articulation produces consonant sound by blocking the air stream briefly with the tongue and the mouth. But in the contrast to stop, the blocked airstream is suddenly not released but is slowly released and causes audible friction. For example, T as in the word check and G as in the word jam. Okay, the next nasals. This manner of articulation produces consonant sound by blocking the airstream past the airstream past the oral cavity using the velum, soft palate, and the back of the tongue, so that the air can only pass the nasal cavity. For example, sounds M as in the word man, N as in the word night, and N as in the word sing. The following figure give an illustration and how the nasal consonant sound are articulate. The next laterals, liquid. This manner of articulation produces consonant sound by contacting the tip of tongue into the alveolar ridge so that the air passes the both sides of the tongue. For example, sound E as in the word lip, sounds L as in the word lip. Take a look at the following figure to see how these sounds are produced by lateral manner of articulation. The next, approximants, glides. This type of manner of articulation deals with the way consonant sounds are uttered by making the articulators interact the tongue and the alveolar ridge without actually touching. In English, there are 3 approximants. For example, sound is Y as the word U, sound W as in the word war, and sound R as in the word rise. Okay, I think that's all for me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.